Tax dodgers, they're everywhere. We've all been there. It's tax season. You're staring at a mountain of forms. You're tempted to cut corners, maybe fudge a number or two. Hey, everyone does it, right? Well, not everyone, but some people really do it. We're talking about massive tax scandals that make headlines. Think hidden accounts, offshore shell companies, the works. These scandals aren't just about numbers. They're about betrayal. When the rich and powerful dodge taxes, the rest of us end up footing the bill. It's like a whole system rigged against ordinary folks. And it's enough to make you want to scream, right? But hold your horses. Before you join a protest movement or, actually pay your taxes, let's break down what these scandals are all about. Because understanding the problem is the first step to fixing it. And trust me, this stuff is seriously messed up. If you want to stay informed and help spread the word, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Together, we can make a difference. Remember the Panama Papers? Massive leak of financial documents back in 2016 exposed a shadowy world of offshore tax havens. Turns out, politicians, celebrities, even FIFA officials were hiding their cash. We're talking billions of dollars, people. These weren't your average savings accounts. We're talking about shell companies. Companies that exist only on paper. No employees, no offices, just a name and a bank account. Perfect for hiding money from the tax man. The Panama Papers showed us how easy it is to game the system. The rich and powerful can afford lawyers and accountants. They can set up these complex structures to shield their wealth. Meanwhile, the rest of us are stuck paying our fair share. Not cool, right? The Panama Papers weren't a one-off. There's a whole industry built around tax avoidance. Law firms, banks, even entire countries profit from helping people hide their money. These places are called tax havens. Think tropical islands, sunny beaches, and mountains of cash. But here's the catch. These tax havens don't just hurt governments. They hurt ordinary people. When the wealthy dodge taxes, there's less money for schools, hospitals, and other essential services. It's a global problem with real-world consequences. The Panama Papers and other scandals have sparked outrage. People are demanding greater transparency and accountability. Governments are cracking down on tax evasion. But is it enough? We need to keep the pressure on. We need to close the loopholes and level the playing field. So, what happens when these tax dodgers get caught? Well, sometimes not much. Remember, they've got lawyers on speed dial. But sometimes the consequences are real. Fines, lawsuits, even jail time. But it's not just about individual punishment. Tax scandals erode public trust. When people see the rich and powerful playing by a different set of rules, it breeds cynicism and resentment. It undermines the whole system. And let's not forget the economic impact. Tax revenue is essential for governments to function. When people and corporations don't pay their fair share, it hurts everyone. Less money for public services, infrastructure, you name it. Section 5, Trust Busted, the erosion of public faith. These scandals aren't just about money. They're about fairness, about playing by the rules. When people see others cheating the system, it creates a sense of injustice. It makes them question the whole damn game. And who can blame them. It's tough to swallow when you're struggling to make ends meet and you see millionaires getting away with tax fraud. It's like the system is rigged against the little guy. This lack of trust can have serious consequences. It can lead to social unrest, political instability, even violence. When people feel like the system is broken, they're more likely to take matters into their own hands. Section 6. Bell's Accounting to the rescue, navigating the tax maze. All right, enough doom and gloom. Let's talk solutions. This is where Bell's Accounting Tax and Notary Services comes in. They're like the tax superheroes you didn't know you needed. They help individuals and businesses navigate the often confusing world of taxes. Bell's gets it. Taxes are complicated, but they believe everyone deserves access to clear, accurate, and affordable tax advice. Whether you're a small business owner or just trying to file your personal taxes, Bell's has your back. They'll help you understand your obligations, maximize your deductions, and most importantly, stay on the right side of the law. No shady offshore accounts, no shell companies, just honest, straightforward tax help. Section 7. Prevention is key. Staying ahead of the taxman. Bell's Accounting isn't just about fixing problems after they happen. They're all about prevention. They'll work with you to develop a solid tax plan that meets your specific needs and goals. Think of them as your financial guardian angels, whispering sweet tax deductions in your ear. They'll help you keep accurate records, understand tax laws, and avoid common pitfalls. Because let's face it, dealing with the IRS is nobody's idea of a good time. It's stressful, confusing, and potentially expensive. But with Bell's on your side, you can tackle tax season with confidence. Section 8. Building a culture of compliance. Doing right by the book. Bell's Accounting is about more than just crunching numbers. They're about promoting a culture of compliance. They believe everyone has a responsibility to pay their fair share, not just because it's the law, but because it's the right thing to do. They believe that financial integrity is crucial for a healthy society. When everyone pays their taxes, it creates a level playing field for businesses and allows governments to provide essential services. It's about building a system based on trust and fairness, a system where everyone contributes and everyone benefits, and that's a system worth fighting for. Section 9, a hopeful future towards financial transparency. The fight against tax evasion is far from over, but there's hope. People are more aware of the issue than ever before. Governments are taking steps to close loopholes and increase transparency. And organizations like Bell's Accounting are working tirelessly to promote financial integrity. It's up to all of us to demand better, to hold the powerful accountable, to create a system that's fair, just, and works for everyone. Let's build a future where tax havens are a distant memory and paying your fair share is just common sense. Remember, taxes don't have to be a scary monster lurking in the shadows. With the right knowledge and support, we can all navigate the system with confidence and integrity. And who knows, maybe one day we'll even look forward to tax season. Okay, maybe not. But we can dream, right?